Endra, ye breaking news etremo say accident kesiye bi ekoso ewo Kintampo Tamale highway ne so. Na me mamoti ase say accident no nkrofo 30 ena afemu ewu. 27 people are bent beyond recognition. News Amatekra said those 27 people no ye mass burial amomo. Now out of the accident no 6 people survived. One of the survivors waba bonten edensem ababetuga senior accident in esi na me mamoti ase say in March 22nd last year the same thing happened. Accident nkrofo be close to 70 ewuye on that same Kintampo Tamale kwan so eno nso cars na ehye to say we dey nempo dey nkrofo 30 ene ewuye na wo hwe abranti a we survivor ensem a wo kan for I am not seeing any difference in last year Diana esi no and this year Diano. Utumi who say Ghanaian drivers they don't learn and now we don't learn. Because police for there one must say a carelessness and a cause here. One must say a carelessness and a cause. Now what dear my members on tremble. Na last year Diana so make no ato na we who say pepe semi accident we see pepe Abrantia waba bontin ebekasa eye survivor no ye fe no yemboni mambe na yemboni mambe wose wono de wo fa kan no ewo bebi a ye fe no Congo eho na wono gina ya wo fa eye sa Congo kan no na woni ni nua a wo ye policeman ene fa kan no wono wo free Upper East region a wo ko techiman wo kitaska about 25,000 Ghana cedis, 250 million. Wode airco akodidwa ewo techiman. Inti no woni ni nwa wo policeman ena airco ena wo mo fa car no. The car was from Boko to Kumasi, but he joined at Congo with his brother. Na wase wo mo car no Kia Grandbird. Etie for last year accident na esi ye no. Eno so sa Kia Grandbird ya ena tese ejato mu. I don't know, as a Kia Grandbird, a cool speed na enya accident peneja atom. I don't know whether it is just with that car and as a car biasa and etidia. But Kia Grandbird and an branch and airca say womo etim. Na wasi womo kwa na womo kano it veered off its lane. Show womo car na watim no not say wono ni driver no and the car veered off its lane. Ena ekoko di eye Sprinter Benz o eba Sprinter show na eto de bia me de make can say sometimes won obetumi aye careful wakwan so aba obo hu say wobi e de ni musio ebeba be kan she Sprinter bus yo Sprinter bus yi wono de wonam ni lane so Kia Grandbird di edi speed ba wonu mo we free ni lane so aba be di Sprinter bus lane so. Last year they also the same thing. And also sir, car na yesi won also every northern side ho Airbus no Kia Grandbird no. Won also sir speeder e no free ni lane so ekokodi VIP ni lane so e na wodi ko hwimu a wo munia ewu ye. The same thing. What is going on? Say driver na ye brain na wa bro, say then you or it's a fault with that particular car, say then you. Is it by force to be speeding? It's a story no what chia so no was say and our more car no it veered off its lane and ran into the lane of the oncoming Sprinter bus. Now was one more car na dey no mo ye be 12 and our team because the rest of the space no na nkrofo ekodija into one de munya megum eye meko wa wunim the northern side of the country no wo mo na ya mo de meko ni nto se nyamaba. Inti no mo ye 12 penalty car nim inti the rest ne there na trese gusa ena car no afa je ne trese okro ni nyama ena trese accident ni see ye it was say accident ni see ye say I don't know whether you've been involved you've been involved in an accident before esisa na uni obi nam krana eya na won dwen sa nipa kro ne ho mostly you are thinking of your life. So so one ne bra e na na enam. So no de adrenaline rush into na the war dwen ne se ne wo no be pie fika nim. Into without even realizing na we pie fika nim kra wo be hwa ne se wo mo kan no eja atom ansa na wo hu se ne bra no empie bi ne bra na ka wo kan nim a eja no e hia wo kikem. Nanso obetumi ayeden ontumi nkoje ne bra no. Ontumi okwa wo no nso bewu. It was 6 of them were able to escape, and the other 6 they were trapped in the car. And his brother now was a policeman, burns beyond recognition. Nisikano 25,000 Ghana citizens so ashe. Because as the Nisis and one dream be being home, senior will no other surviving a war dream home. Till Nisikana crowd will jato a year can him Emma share. Now it's here for send America no. Kentampon North Municipality Motor Transport and MTTD penny your friend the DSP Francis Ajay Brobe. One no was it blame nini na yemfama grand bed Kiab grand bed bus no a branch worker say car na no team no. Omo registration number na car no team registration number na GT 505917. Osi yemfa for blame ni ya emma sa driver no. Na wono ne carelessness na e cause ye. And one thing about it ne say wono driver na wo cause sa ade no. Enya ono ne car nimpo de 6 people survived. But the other bus no sprinter no wo bia hye dro ben wo bia wuwom. Sprinter na enu mo nkrofo bebre team no obi awuye obi a wo cause accident ni mumu obi a wo no nam ne kwan so ama se nipa ko no akovu. You see carelessness inti sa akode anwumi a wo boy wo say oni kra wo nim se oni kra oko speed wo konya accident a wo wuye onim se na ko to ne bo a ebia na ko ongu dia wo koto ne bo wo no nso to ne bo a wo se medie me to me bo akokwan ne so wo bi ko speed e de bebo ni mu na ko beka se na ka me ko speed na ka ebia branch yi ontumi fa car ne bebo mi mu e wa ha se won se ne ete sometimes obe hu ne se wo de wo wo kwan ne so. Now so the next person said it no carelessness so they be boom no just we kun ya carelessness just Ghana and ya na me pese me we ba a lot of commercial drivers in this country carelessness by heart. But commercial drivers are the ones that when mum na fangrophobia so they are the ones who are even supposed to know better. And these commercial drivers no when mo ti say we be say work driving school no mum esre san ni pa no. So driving school ni yen treasure was a driving school na mokono. Now so obi a work driving school no wo chika or you're very defensive. You see how someone's carelessness just caused another bus obi a share beyond recognition. Obi a share ewuye beyond recognition. We say pa say I mean him say driver no wo ya na we mu a we say pa we mu a e san say mo amu say you no carelessness no mo achi na tum because to me embe cause nkrofo bebre say so mungu na wo onfa oti endidim sa da bi no ba chi na tum. That is if he didn't die. We can't be doing this. And it is the same story. Last year, the same thing. Last year, the same thing. And also, I can't now free through her air banner. Sa, utie the accounts and put there. Bars back on. Or no, ni mates and the survivor here. Accounts are woman the same thing. On also, I see woman na momo kwan so. Wabɛhwɛ ne sɛ car na free throw air bag grand bed no wodi omo lemu pim wodi abom eku omo nina the same story. Etiefo Mr. Momotra mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo e man areho se mo ntra mo adwen me da se